Hey, Malo. We've just entered the Spartak system.
Okay.
Hey, Jonas. Nap time's over. Cut power on the photon drive.
You got it, kid.
Jonas, are you going to take me dancing tonight?
And 3, 2.
Careful there, quick. Back to civilization at last.
Lousy tanker.
Watch out, will you, kid? Cargo isn't heavy, but explosives can be pretty delicate. Not to mention illegal.
But the cops won't find our freight if we explode.
And what do you think the cops would say to that?
It's a Zubaheuls scooter.
Zuba what?
Zubaheuls. They're galactic nomads. Thought they'd all died out.
Oh, this is a spaceship, Malo, not a roller coaster ride!
Malo, you just violated 35 articles of the Interstellar Code in one fell swoop.
Let's go check out our new cargo.
Hold it right there!
You'll want to be careful with that pea shooter, son.
In case you hadn't noticed, Malo just saved your skin.
I never asked him to. Now back off and let me go.
Hey, whatever you say. If you want to join those Nimrods waiting outside, then catch.
Give that back to me now!
Calm down, kiddo. My name's Malo Korrigan, and this is my co-pilot, Sayonara.
Sorry to break into your little conversation, but it seems that our good friend Agent Switch wants to pay us a visit.
I'm guessing he must be after this young tagger.
Hand me in, see if I care.
That's not the way we do things on the Starduke. Agent Switch, what a pleasure to see you. What can I do for you?
Cut the charm, Malo. I'm after a delinquent for violation of the Aeronautics Code and desecration of Consortium property.
Keep out of sight, Sonny, and watch your elbows, because we're hauling explosives here.
Thank you, my little friend.
Sienna, can you take the helm, please? I'm giving Officer Switch a guided tour.
Jonas, you old space dog, it's a miracle to me how you keep this antique tub afloat.
Oh, antique tub?
He's just joking.
I hear you, Sienna.
3J, can you block Highway DB West?
Consider it done, Princess.
It's an emergency.
Salutations, Space Tracers! A red alert from your favorite radio station. We need one of you brave souls to seal off Highway DB West in a hurry.
Road DB West? Seems we're right on it. West of Rep 65.
I'd bet my money that the fellow tracer needs to cut short an inspection by local police.
Well, what do we have here? Attention all units, converge immediately on Repta 65 West, traffic jam for several miles. Agent Switch, I'm on my way.
Your talents are always in demand, Agent Switch. See how our tagger's doing. Hey kid, what's your name?
C.O. Dolderan.
Are you really a Zubahoul?
I'm the last of the Zubaheuls. Those who escaped the Consortium have disappeared. They'll never ride the Starways again.
If tags on tankers could bring him back, I'd be the first to draw one.
You're just a tracer. What do you know of my race?
Not a whole lot, I admit. But I could write a book on prisons.
That's the difference between us. I'm too clever to let myself get collared.
Know something, Malo?
What's that, Jonas?
He reminds me of someone.
I was never as stupid as that.
It took 12 years of prison to wise you up.
Thank you, Malo. Now we don't have to buy dynamite from the Consortium.
They charge you so much, the mines would close.
And the Consortium would buy them back from you at a bargain.
If we were lucky.
Freight missing. Freight missing.
One of the explosives is missing. Seal.
Tagging's not enough? Then it's time I adopted a more dynamic approach.
This is Radio Tracer with a special message from Malo and the Starduke. Anyone who spots a young Zubahoul riding a scooter can put in a call to this station.
Radio Tracer!
There's no sign of him.
Malo! Sayana! Yoo-hoo!
Well, maybe Dolores knows something.
Well, hello, handsome. It's always such a treat to see you. You too, my dear. I heard all about your Zubaheuls on the radio, but no one around here has seen him.
Hey, 3J, this is Enrico Torione on the Belladonna.
You mustn't be so glum, Malo. The night is still young. Who knows what will happen? You're not exactly a barrel of laughs tonight. Why don't you dump this grouch and come with me to the Tearoa? I need a co-pilot. And Mr. Korrigan isn't going to notice that you're gone.
My dancing teacher, Jonas, would never forgive me.
All right, let's go. Hurry up. The tanker's ready for boarding.
Since when does the Consortium use tankers to transport its workers?
Since their shuttle broke down, stranding them here at the Consortium's expense.
I'm listening, Jonas.
CO was spotted on the Consortium docks.
To the Consortium. Consider this a down payment on the damages you owe me.
All passengers to runway 5. All passengers to runway 5.
This zone is off limits. Hand over your papers immediately.
I warned you guys! Don't go sticking your nose in my affairs!
Kalu Jewel Beklaha!
Where's the dynamite you stole? There are passengers aboard that tanker. Not just robots, but workers.
They're gonna die because of you.
But I didn't mean to.
It doesn't matter what you meant to do. It's done. We're gonna have to work fast.
We've got time. Everyone's safe until the tanker goes into photon drive.
When the tanker leaves our system. Come on, we don't have much time. Jonas, prepare the Starduke for takeoff, and then wait for further orders. Sienna will explain.
See, you got a 4012 superdrive.
I installed it myself. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm sticking my nose in your affairs.
I've never seen anyone but a Zubaheuls drive like this.
The dynamite's in the photon exhaust pipe?
300 meters from the opening.
Я так и знал, что парень втянет нас в беду. Надо было сдать его агенту Свичу, пока был шанс.
Слышали, ребята? Вам привет от Джонаса. По моим подсчетам, танкер перейдет на фотонный ускоритель через 2 минуты.
Вот он.
We get one try, so don't blow it.
Got it!
Malo, your time's up. Get out of there.
Glad to see you back. Well now, seems there was some action in Sector 094.
Routine.
Dolores, are you still looking for a co-pilot?
You've had a change of heart?
Mm-mm.
Of course, he's not quite as cute as Jonas.
Man can't have everything. But I've had a chance to check him out as a co-pilot. He's pretty darn good.
Well, if he's good enough for Malo, there's only one thing to say. My new co-pilot, welcome aboard.
Let's go, princess. Time to rock and roll. It's the next best thing to flying through the galaxy. Yeehaw!